friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious creamy agua fresca that I know you guys are going to love. It's made of pistachio. The flavor is amazing and it's perfect for this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this amazing and creamy pistachio lemonade, these are the ingredients. I have food coloring, which is optional. I have evaporated milk, condensed milk, granulated sugar, water, regular milk, whipping cream, pistachio extract and concentrate, and of course, the pistachios. Ice. This is everything we need to prepare this creamy, refreshing, and perfect agua fresca for this summer. So let's get started. Here I want to start first preparing my simple syrup, and I have 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water, and I'm going to pour it to my little pitcher here. Take it to the stove. I'm going to cook it for about 5 minutes. When the water is translucent, just like this, then the syrup is ready. We're going to put it aside and let it cool down to room temperature. And here I want to start first by getting my pistachios, opening them, and getting the pistachio out. Remember, when you buy your pistachio, it needs to be unsalted because you are making an amazing agua fresca with this delicious pistachio. This is what it takes a little longer time to do because you need to open every single one. I didn't find the little baggie in the supermarket that comes already peeled without the portion on the outside, but here this is the part that is going to take a little longer. So I'm going to continue getting all the pistachios out of the shells, and then I'll show you when I am done. To tell you the truth, this agua fresca comes out amazing and creamy. And here I am done. I'm going to remove all the shells. Let me show you. I'm going to reserve just a little bit for the garnishing of the agua fresca. I'm gonna save a little bit, put this aside, and then these I'm going to crush completely, making sure that there's little large pieces in there. Once you crush them just a little bit, I'm gonna pour them back into this little plate, and I am going to reserve them. Look at this. Let's put it aside. I have the cup of my blender here. I'm going to add the rest of the pistachios, adding a little bit of water. And at this moment, I am going to add a little bit of green food coloring. Okay, this is optional, but to tell you the truth, you want that beautiful green color of the pistachio in this amazing agua fresca. So I added some green food coloring, and now I am ready to blend. And you guys already know that this blender cup, I only use it for my aguas frescas. We're gonna blend it for about 5 minutes, making sure that it's nice and blended. After 5 minutes, look at the color. Look at this. You might be thinking it's really, really dark, but to tell you the truth, when you add it to all the milks, it doesn't look that green, okay? So here it is. I am going to put it aside in this big bowl. I'm going to start adding my regular milk. I'm going to add my heavy whipping cream, the evaporated milk, the condensed milk, and of course you are going to have all the measurements in the description box. And I'm getting all of the condensed milk out, and here I'm adding just a little splash of the simple syrup. Remember that the simple syrup is to taste. Here I have the concentrate of the pistachio flavoring, and I'm adding 3 tablespoons. You could see that it has a little bit of color, but that color is not enough to transform all the milk into a beautiful green color. And here I am adding everything that I have in the blender cup. And you start seeing the color coming out, the color of the pistachio. Look at this. I'm going to taste it. If it needs a little more simple syrup, I will add it. But to my tasting, this is great. Look at the texture. You can see the little pieces of pistachio. The aroma that it's releasing is just amazing. You could really smell the pistachio. It's nice and creamy. And now I am ready to add the water. I'm going to add the water. Once you add the water, just incorporate it, and then I can't wait to prepare my pitcher with lots of ice. I have a pitcher here. I'm going to fill it all the way to the top of ice. Remember, you want to enjoy this amazing and creamy pistachio water at home. Look at this. Now I am ready to pour the agua fresca of pistachio. Look at that amazing color. The color is just amazing. And the aroma that is releasing of the pistachio, perfection made at home. I am sure that once you prepare this amazing agua fresca of pistachio, you are going to enjoy it this summer. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. Beautiful family, I am completely done with this amazing creamy pistachio lemonade. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. This agua fresca is perfect for this hot weather. Nice and creamy, nice and refreshing, and the flavor of the pistachio, just amazing. Let me stop talking and let me enjoy and refresh myself with this amazing pistachio lemonade. Really nice and creamy. The flavor of the pistachio, so penetrated, just perfection made at home. Let me tell you, you need to enjoy it like I enjoyed here with my family. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe and refreshing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being part of my family, and thank you for being here. Of course, make this amazing pistachio lemonade. I am sure you and your family are going to love it. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.